Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday the 14th of September 2018. So yesterday we see the pound driving through the 76% retracement and moving higher onto the next targets. Brexit driven, that's for sure. Interest rates were kept on hold yesterday. So these are the upside targets or resistance areas for this market should prices continue to move higher. Like I say, the move is purely and simply one of Brexit news at the moment. So that's what we're looking at here. What I'm going to do also is to roll to the next high here to the low here. That gives you a 76% retracement there, and then you've got this high here also to here. So this is where we see a bit of a major area, the 132 level, should prices continue to move higher. So make a note of the 132 just in case you get any long trades that trade up into this area. All of these areas are resistance areas, but when you get a situation where a 76% interacts with a standard resistance area, selling area, then watch that area with a bit more detail, because it's likely that prices will struggle at that level. So the move yesterday is just before the close of the trading session. There you can see prices moving higher again on Brexit news. And all it is news at the moment, but the market above the 200, the 20 and the 50 at the moment, and continuing to move higher there. No doubt there'll be some profit taking along the way, so keep this in mind as well. Meanwhile, in the Dow, we saw a bit of a choppy day yesterday, sideways day, market moving higher and then putting in a straight reversal. You can see the market testing down here. You've got three tests there before the market then moves back up to show some resistance here. You can see the selling there as well. It's above the average. And also, if you do this or this one, and we'll take out the extend right down to the low, you'll see the market there trading to 76% before going sideways. And on the overnight for this market, prices are sideways to higher. Again, just like the pound, above the 200 bar and the 50 and 20 as well. Now in the bigger time frame, we're still heading up for the all-time highs. Let me just narrow this so you can see it. Need to break through 26,167 today, and 26,701 is on the cards for this market. That I have no doubts about. They're going to keep moving this market higher if they can do. There's a bit of weakness here, but this is seems to have been overcome yesterday. Again, being marked up, not driven up with new buying. But again, that's what it's done for the last nearly 10 years now in this market, thanks to the Fed pumping money into the markets. So today we've got Carney speaking at 11 a.m. He's going to, because he's a pro-European man, he's going to try and worry the market. This is what he's likely to say. Bank of England leaves rates on hold amid Brexit uncertainty. That was yesterday. And if I just go back one, you'll see his latest rhetoric overnight. He's warning of, and this is the word you've always got to look for in any of these statements: could, not will, but could see house prices plunge. So let's wait and see if this comes to fruition. We'll just have to wait and see there. So back to the news. We've got retail sales for the US and core retail sales as well. Again, more or less coming out as forecast there. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has managed to move higher on the overnight, just breaking through the 6523 there. How far will it go? We've got the 20 bar average there with the midline of the average true range. You'll see how prices get on there as well. So let's see if it's got the impetus. It was a bit of an increase in volume yesterday, but normally when you come through an area like this, you tend to see prices drive through with an increase in volume, and we're not seeing that there at the moment. Okay, that will do it for this one. If there's anything to report, I will let you know, but other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.